afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from, and I hope you guys are doing fine and happy celebration time. So guys, before we begin this video, let me use this opportunity to thank all my new subscribers and my old subscribers. For those of you who have been sharing my video, viewing my videos, I so much appreciate you all. May the good Lord bless you all in Jesus' name. So first of all guys, if you are new on my channel, you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please kindly do me a favor, click on that red subscription, click on the notification bell, so that when I put in a new video, you can easily check it out yourself. You can get notified and come and check it out yourself. So first of all guys, we'll be making this black soap. So this black soap is just for me guys. I just want to do it for myself. So this time I just want to make a black soap. It's not a whitening black soap, it's not a lightening black soap, it's just a natural black soap that can help your skin to glow. And this black soap is naturally made for, I'm doing it for stretch mark. For those of you who are dealing with stretch mark due to shite belt, other things guys, cream can easily cause stretch mark just like mine. So it's really good guys. I will advise you to do it. Make sure you use this black soap like your normal bathing soap or your normal bathing gel. It's gonna work for you guys. So without me wasting much of time, I'm gonna be showing you guys simple ingredients that you can use. These ingredients you might have it at home, but you don't just know how to make use of it. So first of all guys, let me show you what we'll be needing for this black glowing soap. So let's just begin guys. So now let's just go straight to the point. So the first thing I will be needing is black Africa soap. So this particular one is black Africa soap, and as you can see it's slippery like this, and that is because I soak it with hot water for the past 1 week now guys, and this is how it looks. Please, I will advise you, if you want to do yours just the same way I'm doing mine now, make sure you use it, you soak it with hot water. Use hot water, not cold water. Hot water is preferable guys. So the next thing I will be adding guys is this particular Sandelwood. So this particular one is good. It will help your skin to smooth, and it will naturally clean your skin from any kind of skin pigmentation like acne, eczema, or if you are having skin pigmentation. When I mean skin pigmentation like eczema, pimples, and other skin problems, this can help you solve the problem. It's really nice guys, it's really nice, and you can actually use it like this even without you mixing it to anything. You can actually use this just like this on your skin, and believe me, it's really nice. So this next thing we'll be using guys is castor oil. So this castor oil will help prevent your skin from breaking, and not only that, it will also help your skin to glow naturally and add healthy skin to your skin. So the next thing I will be adding guys is pure glycerine. So this particular one is really nice, it's good, it's really good. If you want to do anything black soap, make sure you add this particular one. Like I said before, we will be doing a black soap for stretch mark remover, and for you to glow your skin, you can actually use it to, you can actually use it as your body wash guys. It's really nice. So we will be adding glycerine. Glycerine is really good. It will help your skin to look more firm, and it will help your skin to shine and glow, and it will also help get rid of wrinkles. If you're having wrinkles on your skin, it will help your skin to look more stiff guys. And without me wasting much of your time guys, let's just go straight, and I will be telling you guys one after the other what I will be adding. This is how it looks. So the reason why I don't want to melt mine in anything like let me say stove or use anything hot on it is called natural black soap guys, because it has already been prepared, and now it's just for me to make a mix. I don't want to heat it more than the way it was before, because I just want everything to be natural. So a lot of people do their own black soap different ways, so this is how I love to do mine. So the next thing I will be adding now, guys, is shea butter. As you can see, this is the shea butter. I've made it already, so I just want to add this to it. So this particular shea butter I'm using right now, this Bauman peel, so it's really nice. So for those of you who actually need nice scent, shea butter original is really good. The scent is amazing, it doesn't have bad smell. So the next thing I will be adding, guys, is my glycerine. This is my glycerine. I will be adding everything. You can see it's not that much. And my castor oil. So now I'll just go ahead and blend as usual. Now the next thing I will be adding is just my soda wood herbs. So this one is good for those of you who actually want to like smoothen up your skin and clean your skin and make your skin look more glow and nice. So we're just going to be adding just 4 tablespoons. So that is just it. And the next thing I will be adding is lemon juice. So like I said before, this is just all use for my own personal use, guys. So there are different types of black soap out there. So if you want to whiten up your skin or lighten up your skin, I'm sorry, this black soap is not for that. But in the process of you using it, you can as well give your skin a glowing and a soft, nice, natural skin. So, and get rid of those dark spots and stubborn stretch mark that refuse to disappear from your skin. So this is my advice. If you want to get rid of stretch mark, I will advise you not to use any house cream, like any cream that do contain too much chemical like hydrocortisone on your skin. So this way your stretch mark is just going to fade easily. Now I'm done with my black soap. So I just show you guys the ingredients you need for your black soap. As far as the black soap is already made, it has already been made that way. A lot of people do use black soap like that without anything, missing anything to it. But if you want your black soap to be more active, or if it depends on the black soap you are doing, you can add any other active ingredients to your black soap. So this particular one is just for skin, natural skin glowing. It's not a bleaching black soap or with over lightening bar soap, but at the end it will it will brighten up your skin and help you get rid of dark spot and black spot. Anyway guys, it will also help get rid of, if you're having a stretch mark, it will help lighten up your stretch mark. So this black soap is just for my own personal use, guys, and the reason why I didn't bother to put anything preservative is because I will be using it in nothing less than 1 month, guys. Because we're using it morning, evening, it will probably last me for 1 month, and I will be giving that some to my Cameroon girlfriend. So for those of you who think adding preservative to your black soap is a good idea, yes, it's good, but that is if you are keeping it for that long. If you are keeping it for that long, preservative is not going to add anything to your skin. It's just for you to keep it safe and last for you for months. So if you are using it like 1 month, if you want to make 1 month black soap, you don't need to add preservative, please. So this is how I just do my end. Now I'll advise you guys, if you want to do it like this, depends on the black soap you are doing. If you want to do whitening black soap, there are other ingredients you can still use. For me, I just do a normal maintain skin glowing black soap that can help your skin to glow and get rid of any skin problem on your skin. So that is just it, guys, and I so much appreciate you all for your time, and may God bless you. And the next thing I will be doing right now, just go ahead and put some of this black soap inside here for a friend, and I will be leaving mine in this bowl. So just gonna leave mine in this bowl and leave it just like that. So you see, it's not that much, but you people, because I use this mixer, so it's not that much, it's just a little, and that is just it, guys. And thank you for your time, and I so much appreciate you all. May God bless you. See you guys in my next video, and do have a blessed and a wonderful day. So bye bye.